This is going over geometry homework, page 778. Let's start it here. We've got number 3. It just says, hey, find the surface area. They give us the radius. So let's do it. Here we go. Surface area of a sphere. We've got 4 pi 4 squared. 4 pi 4 squared. Let's do it in the calc. Okay, here we go. We got it right there. Okay, clear it out. We got 4 pi times 4 squared. 4 pi r squared. There it is. That's the surface area formula. There it is, 201.06. 201.06 units. Its area, this was in feet. Yeah, it's going to be feet squared. There it is. Good. Number 3. Nice. Here we go. What about this one? Okay. Hey, same idea. Same idea. They just want surface area. Here it is. What do they give us on this? Again, they give us the radius. So it's just plugging it in. 4 pi 7.5 squared. Let's do it. There it is. Straighten the calc on that one. 4 pi times 7.5 squared. There you go. Boom, 706.86. We can go with that. 706.86. Again, it's area. They're asking for area. Our formulas for area, yeah, it's going to be centimeters squared on that one. Okay. Okay, on this one, again, they want surface area, but what did they give us? They gave us the diameter. Now, that's not what we need. We need the radius. Cut 18.3 in half. Okay, here we go. 18.3, cut it in half. There you go. 915 is our radius. Okay, radius equals 915. Radius equals 915. Now we plug it in. Surface area, 4 pi 915 squared. There it is. Let's do it. Okay. We got 4 pi times 915 squared. Good. Only the radius is squared. There it is. Gosh. 1052 and a little extra. Okay. 1052 and a little extra. Our units, it was meters, so the area, meters squared. Okay, nice. Let's see what we got here. Number 6. Number 6. What is the approximate radius of the sphere with a surface area? So they're giving us surface area, and they want the radius. If they give a surface area, let's use the formula. Surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r squared. Surface area is 32 pi equals 4 pi r squared. We want to solve for r. What's our first step? Yeah, I think divide by the pi. Get the pi out of there. Those cancel because you're doing it to both sides. Okay, next. Here we go. 32 equals 4r squared. Yep, got it. Got to divide by 4. Divide by 4. We got 8 equals r squared. We root it. We root it. Okay, we're finding the radius now. Okay, here we go. What do we got here? The square root of 8. Yeah, nice. 283. Let's go with that. 283. What are our units on this one? It's just going to be meters. There it is. Okay, solving for r. Now, on this one, they made an error. They made an error and they want us to correct it. It says they made an error in finding the volume of a sphere with a diameter of 16 feet. Okay? They want us to find the volume on this. Okay? What did they do wrong? Yeah, they didn't use the right formula. That's what they did wrong. The volume from our formula sheet, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. That doesn't make a difference. Yeah, it makes a big difference. Here it is. 4/3 pi 8. They did use the correct radius. If the diameter is 16, The radius is 8. There it is. 4/3 pi 8 cubed. Now, again, when I do it in the calculator, 4/3 is going to be in parentheses. Here we go. Parenthesis, 4 divided by 3, good, times a pi times 8 cubed. For the volume, again, check your formula sheet carefully. 4/3 pi r cubed is the volume. Boom, there it is, 2144. Okay, 2144 and something. There we go. And our units, I guess it's going to be feet cubed because it is volume. Okay, nice. Looking good. Okay, our next one. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here we go. Our next one, 16. Find the radius if the volume is given. Okay, find the radius if the volume of the sphere is given. Well, we're going to use our formula for volume of a sphere. There it is, 4/3 pi r cubed. Plug in everything you know. I got volume 1436.76 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. What do you want to do first? It's algebra. There's a couple things you could do. I tell you what, I don't like the fractions. We're going to multiply by 3 here, multiply by 3 here. Let's see what we got left. On the right, we just have pi. Oh, actually, we have 4 pi r cubed. Good, let's do this. 3 times 1436.76. Okay. 3 times 1436.76. Okay, great. There it is, 4310. 4310.28. What do you want to do now? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply 4 times pi. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, 4 times a pi, get a number. Let's go. 1257, we could go with that. 1257 r cubed on this side. Still 431028. Okay, next step. Yeah, we got to divide now by 1257 on both sides. 1257. Now remember what we got here. We have r cubed, okay? Let's take that divided by 1257. 4310.28 divided by 1257. There it is, 342.90, okay? 342.90. What do we do now? We do the cube root. If it's r cubed, then you have to do the cubed root. Okay, let's do it. Cube root of 342. Okay, here we go. I get my calculator. I go to my math. I do the cube root key of 342.90. There it is. Nice. Let's call it 7. 6.999. Let's call it 7. Okay, 7 right here. Here it is, answer. 7.0 equals the radius. How about the units? If the volume was in meters cubed, then the radius is just in meters. Okay, looking good. Let's see what else we got here. Move this one down. Find the radius. Oh, same type of problem. Find the radius if the volume is given. We're going to do it the same way. Start with our volume formula. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. What's the volume on this one? Wow, big. 20,814.37 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. What do you want to do first? I'm going to multiply by 3 again. Okay, I'm going to multiply by 3. Okay, here's what I got left. On the right side, I got 4 pi r cubed. Let's see on the left side, okay? Here we go. 3 times this one, there it is. Okay, 3 times 20,814.37. There it is. Wow, big number. 62,443. 62,443. 62,443 and a little extra. What's next? I'm going to multiply the 4 times the pi, okay? You might remember that. We just did that in the last one. Yeah, 1257, that's fine. 1257 r cubed. Good. Over here, same thing. Okay, now, second to the last step, yeah, we got to divide. 1257 here, 1257 here. Those cancel. We do have r cubed. Okay, let's go do it in the calc now. There it is. 62,443.11 divided by 1257. Nice, huh? 4967. 4967. 4967 and something decimals. That's 63. Okay. 0.63. Okay, last step. Yeah, the cube root. The cube root. Let's do it right here. Here we go. Our radius. Let's do the cube root of that number. Okay, I go to my math. I go to cube root of 4967.63. Yeah, there it is. 17.06. We can go with that. 17.06. Looks this time, the units would be just inches. There it is on problem 18. Nice. Hey, that's the end of part 1. Watch part 2 for the remainder of homework problems on 778.